Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. Today we are showing you this modern, elegant home for sale located here inside the secured subdivision in Angeles City, Pampanga. Let's check it out. This property is priced at 45 million pesos. It has a lot area of 453 square meters, floor area of 450 square meters. It has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, living room, family area, kids room, spacious balcony, swimming pool, and so much more. If you're interested, contact us for viewing. So as we can see guys, very modern, contemporary yung design niya, very elegant. Mixture ng light and dark colors. Okay, so meron tayo ditong nice greenery outside. Actually, this village is very nice because meron siyang sidewalk talaga na dedicated. Yun ang isa sa mga request ng mga clients, no? So we have this tiled fence right here. We have the pedestrian gate and of course your 2-car garage. So let's go through this door right here. Upon entry, guys, makikita nyo agad itong very spacious na porch area. Dito, tiled siya. Very nice. Of course, high ceiling. Very nice choice of plant dito sa entrance. We have a very big garden right here. Hanggang dito yan. Tapos this way is going to your swimming pool. This is the lanai area. Going to the swimming pool at the back of the house. Later on, pupunta tayo doon. Very nice choice of plants also. Then, this front door is made up of wood. Yan. Wood siya. Okay. Let's go in. Upon entry, makikita nyo agad yung scale at space na meron dito sa open living space natin. In this house, to my left, dito yung ating air conditioning, big windows, ayan, more windows, and another air conditioning there. Tapos, itong space na to is your living area. Very nice. Good choice of tiles. Very neat tingnan. We have a carpet right here, our center table. Dito tayo magre-receive ng ating mga guests, of course, or relax with our family. Then we have this very nice floor-to-ceiling console na may mga storage and open shelvings. This one is to display maybe your awards or your collection. We have a very big TV right here and drawers at the bottom. Okay? Now let's go here. Sa area na to, we have this marble dining table that seats 6. Very nice. Imagine having your meals right here. We have a very nice light fixture up there on the ceiling. And of course, this elegant backdrop na lighted siya. So it's a marble design na lighted yung kanyang edges. Okay? Now, this is your formal kitchen. So the formal kitchen, we have our countertop right here, of course. We have a range hood, storage, our 2-door refrigerator, and more storage down here. Okay? And soft closing yung mga drawers natin. Our sink is right here, and we have a window dito sa front niya. So, parang very maaliwalas siya habang ikaw ay gumagawa ng inyong dishes and all. Okay? Now, may space pa tayo dito. Pwede pa siguro dito ng buffet table for your food, di ba? This door right here leads us to the auxiliary kitchen. So ito, pwedeng daily kitchen natin. We have our countertop right here, our sink, another range. This one is same as the one inside. We have the range hood and storage. And on this side is your pantry. Diba? Ito daming space for your canned goods, groceries, para ka nang may mini landers dyan. Okay? And going outside, ito sa space na to my right is your provision for your washer and dryer. We have a sink right here. Diba? Pwede rin ditong kitchen. And na-mention kanina nung ating kaibigan na meron ditong abang if you wish to have your hot and cold na centralized water. So, ayan siya. Ready na siya. Also, this is your staff room. This is probably one of the nicest staff room na nakita ko. Number one, because of the space, the ventilation, of course may window siya, and check out the toilet and bath. Diba? They have their own sink, toilet, and partially enclosed shower with rainfall shower head. Very nice, no? Ang ganda nito. Then, of course, this is our two-car carport na kahit malalaking van, kasya dito kasi mahaba siya and mataas. Okay? Now, let's go back using this door right here kasi from the carport, meron tayong door leading to the main living area. Okay? Very nice, no? To my right is your powder room. This one is under the stairs. Of course, they have the sink and the toilet right here. Okay? Guest accessible siya if you have your guest. The stairs, may space tayo dito if you wish to have additional storage. Pwede itong i-enclosed. Na-mention kanina nung ating kaibigan dito na if you have little request, pwede nilang i-accommodate like mga color, change of color or konting cabinets dyan. They can accommodate that. Now, ang ganda nitong wall dito because textured siya. Tapos itong stairs natin is tiled naman with metal handrails and glass na support dito sa ibaba. Very nice. Very nice. Tiled stairs right here. We have a window by the mid-landing going up here. Really spacious. Alam nyo, itong hallway na to, this is not the typical size because talagang malapad siya going to the rooms. But first, tingnan muna natin itong family area dito sa second floor. We have a very nice leather sofa right here. Windows. This one is the front of the house. Ayan, makikita natin yung sa garden natin dito. Then, we have this sliding door leading naman to your balcony. And mind you guys, this one is already screened, so it keeps the insects outside, hindi sila makapasok. Very nice dito, na parang terrace or balcony, may power outlets tayo dyan if you wish to have your barbecue here or entertain guests right here. Pwedeng-pwede siya. Okay, well lighted din. Now, to the hallway. I-save natin yung master bedroom for later. For now, let's check out this bedroom number 1. Very spacious. May I just mention that the furnitures in this house are custom made. So, they are specifically made for this house. We have this nice bed with magandang frame, okay? A lot of space to move around. We have this console na may mga shelves siya dito for your TV. And of course, your cabinet is right here for your clothes and outfits. Once again, this is soft closing na mechanism. We have, the first bedroom has its own toilet and bath. So the sink, toilet, and your enclosed shower with your window right here for natural light and ventilation. So first bedroom pa lang, mukha na siyang master bedroom. And makikita natin, palaki siya ng palaki. Okay? This space right here, we have a console and a mirror. Dito pwede nyong displayhan ng mga collection din po ninyo, di ba? Second bedroom is a lot bigger than the first one. We have this custom-made bed frame right here. We have a cabinet right here. Then we have this console and desk area right here. Of course, it has its own toilet and bath also. With sink, toilet, and enclosed shower with rainfall shower head. Okay? Now, the third bedroom, of course, is a lot bigger because this one can pass as a master bedroom talaga. Big bed. I think this is king size bed. Tons of space on the side. You have windows, of course. A lot of space here if you wish to have furniture, sofa, sitting area. And of course, we have a console right here. Cabinets are also installed, of course, for your outfits. Yan, di ba? And of course, may shelvings tayo and also drawers. Now, this is its own toilet and bath. Of course, may enclosed shower. Spacious din siya. Toilet and your sink. Ang laki nito. Para siyang master na. Now we go to the master bedroom. Yung master bedroom, guys, is so amazing. Talaga namang bagay na bagay siya sa house na to na very elegant and modern. Upon entry, makikita natin na iba rin yung choice of tiles dito. Wood design siya, textured. Of course, we have this big bed right here. It's a king-size bed. Windows on either side. Air conditioning is Daikin. Of course, we have this console right here for your TV. And also the CCTV is here. Shelves. Dito may space pa tayo. Diba? If you wish to have a desk right here or whatever you want, diba? Meron dyan. Then we have our master's walk-in closet. Imagine you guys, your bags will be placed here, collection, di ba? Yung mga outfits and all will be placed in here. Ang daming storage. In front, we have this vanity. Dito ka magpe-prepare for your day. More shelvings and drawers there. Now, let's go here at the master bathroom. Okay. Ang ganda because very spacious as you can tell. Diba? We have the toilet right here. We have a bathtub right here. Enclosed shower with rainfall shower head. Na very spacious ang area na to. Let me just right there. And of course, meron tayong his and her sink dito. So very spacious, pwedeng sabay mag-prepare, di ba? Amazing. And of course, hindi ko lang na-mention kanina, but all the rooms, maganda ang kanilang ceiling kasi may cove treatment tayo dyan na may lights din, di ba? Like this one, no? Meron siyang accent lights dun sa cove natin. Now, let's head back here. Then, may na-miss kaming area kanina. But, pupunta tayo doon. So, one more look sa ating hallway. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bedroom 3. This is master bedroom. We have a family area. Yan, parang nag-recap na tayo. And of course, meron tayong balcony right here. Okay? Now, yung na-miss naming area, it's one of the best parts ng house na parang pwedeng sabihin nating save the best for last. Ganon, di ba? Kasi, ewan ko, ba't ko na-miss siya kanina? Okay. One more look sa ating living area. from the perspective na pagbaba mo ng stairs, of course. Then dining area. Formal kitchen. Your auxiliary kitchen is right there. Now this is it, guys. This area, come here, is another flexible room that you can use if you have kids. Pwede itong playroom. Pwede itong, naisip ko parang video okay room. Pwede dito, tumambay. And we have a bedroom right here na na-mistake ko na naman kanina as a master because it's so spacious and well-designed. Look, big bed. You have a console right here, di ba? Drawer at the bottom. We have a closet space right here. Ito naisip ko pwede siyang guest room or elderly room. Pwede siya. Then, it has its own toilet and bath. We have the sink, toilet, and of course, your shower na enclosed, di ba? And ang maganda pa rito, guys, it has a direct access sa ating swimming pool. Maganda yung size ng pool because pwede ka mag-lap. Then you have this jacuzzi area right here. Parang bubble bath, di ba? Ang ganda ng size. And meron tayong dedicated shower for your swimming pool right here. Yeah. A sink and of course, shower. And may I just say na ang ganda rin ng greenery dito. Plus yung sides natin, ang ganda ring potential na marami pang plants na ilagay dyan na mas magiging very relaxing at mas magiging nature feels ang dating dito. This one right here, pwede kang magkaroon ng seating area dito. If you have your guest, pwede mag-barbecue, di ba? Ang daming pwedeng mangyari, di ba? Ang daming pwedeng gawin with this house. If you love entertaining, ang ganda rin, ang daming spaces for entertainment. Of course, swimming ng mga kids. And on the other side naman, by the way, that's the pump room. This is the lanai area na may access going to the living and dining area. So very nice. So now guys, let's do the recap. This property is priced at 45 million pesos. It has a lot area of 453 square meters, floor area of 450 square meters. It has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, living room, family area, kids room, spacious balcony, swimming pool, and so much more. If you're interested, contact us for viewing. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.